Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. Today we're about to create this crazy flavor explosion. We're going to be making the spicy honey garlic chicken wings recipe. Stay tuned. So for today's recipe, guys, you're going to need 8 pieces of chicken wings and 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning. You want to add your chicken seasoning. Mix it up a little bit. Just make sure everything is nicely seasoned, fully combined, you know. And then we're just going to let this marinate for about 10 minutes, not long. We're not going to let it sit for too long. So after you let your chicken sit for about 10 minutes, then we're going to add some flour. And then we're just going to mix everything together. And once our oil is nice and hot, then we're going to start frying our chicken wings. Alright guys, so for the chicken wing sauce, you're going to need some butter, about a tablespoon. Once the butter is melted, add some sweet chili sauce, sweet Thai chili sauce. Add some hot sauce. Then we're going to add our Sriracha sauce, spicy Sriracha. Then we're going to add some honey. You know, the honey combined with the sweet Thai chili sauce is going to add a nice little sweet heat. You know, it's going to be good. Stir it up a little bit. Like once these sauces are fully combined, guys, once they are fully blended together, then we're going to add a little bit of our parsley flakes. Like I said earlier, I'm going to add a little parsley flakes. So we're just going to fry these wings for about 5 more minutes, and then we should be good. Then we're going to toss them in the sauce, you know, and enjoy, guys. All right, guys, time to add our sauce. Ooh. Yes. And now we're going to make sure our wings are nicely tossed, you know, fully coated with this lovely dynamic sauce. All right. Ooh, look at that, guys. So good. Wow. Look at that. So juicy. Take a bite. Yes, guys, time for that ultimate taste test. Oh, these are hot. Ooh. Oh my God. Guys, the flavor is on point. Perfect combination, guys. This is good. Really good. Finger licking good, guys. Wow. Yes, guys. Thanks again for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes. Peace. Big up on yourself.